Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect to the Fastest server here on Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, whatever browser that you are using, and then search for roblox.com. After that, just go ahead and click on the settings logo here at the upper right corner of your screen and click on settings. So after that, as based here on my account, I don't have the country option. Okay, so if you have the country option, so just go ahead and select that. Okay, and I will give you the list of the country that has the fastest server here on Roblox. So first we have Australia, Germany, Canada, South Korea, and Sweden. Okay, I'll repeat it. Okay, so Australia, Germany, Canada, South Korea, and Sweden. So just go ahead and change your country or location on your Roblox and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.